Today we're showing you a Kubota BX1880 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA344 quick attach loader. Also has the 54-inch belly mower that is also quick attach, so you can easily remove the mower and the loader if so desired. So super nice little tractor. Has just under 150 on the hours. Paint's in nice shape. Has the turf tires, 4-foot bucket on the front here. Nice grill guard on it. Has a 3-point hitch with 540 rear PTO. Top link is with the machine, so you can run a tiller, brush hog, blade, anything to that nature. Hydrostat transmission. 2 ranges in the hydro transmission. Super nice tractor. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.